Have you ever tried to cash out on Venmo and realized you can't? That's probably because you haven't linked a bank account. Venmo is super convenient for sending and receiving money, but to actually use that money for things like paying bills or online shopping, you need to be able to transfer it to your bank. Don't worry, it's a quick and easy fix. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps of adding a bank account to your Venmo profile. Let's get right into it. First, open up the Venmo app and tap on the Me tab, which is usually your profile picture or initials in the bottom right corner. From there, you'll see a settings gear icon, usually at the top right of the screen. Tap on that to go into your settings. Once in settings, look for the payment methods option and tap it. This is where you'll see any cards or bank accounts you already have linked. To add a new one, select Add a Bank or Card and then choose Bank. Venmo gives you a couple of ways to link your bank. The easiest way is to use instant verification, which is powered by Plaid. This method will securely connect to your bank account using your bank's login credentials. It's fast, and you can start using your bank account with Venmo right away. Simply search for your bank, log in, and you're all set. If you prefer not to use your bank login, you can choose manual verification. This option requires you to enter your bank's routing and account numbers. You can find these numbers on your bank statements or by logging into your online banking portal. Just a heads up, with manual verification, Venmo will send 2 small deposits to your bank account, usually less than $1 each. You'll need to check your bank statement in the next day or two and then go back into Venmo to confirm the exact amounts. Once you've entered the correct amounts, your bank account will be fully linked. And that's all there is to it. Whether you choose the instant or manual method, adding a bank account to Venmo gives you the freedom to move your money where you need it, when you need it. Now you can transfer your Venmo balance to your bank and use it for anything you want. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.